bar in front.
Yeah, well, closable is fine as long as you have appropriate venting in there, and that venting you'd want to have filtered as much as possible, just to block as much dust as you can.
Yeah.
Is far better, particularly with a system like this.
I'm trying to think about about getting a square one here.
Yeah.
Is it easier to make this a square box first and then shaping this one through? I was just wondering, you know,
this bottom tape you can come through.
Yeah.
And you'd make that fixed.
So far this is what we have.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got the boxes. This one is the front box, which is around the blue tank. So we have some little braces on the doors, like so. Gas struts will go on there. Rubber continuous hinge. So when the door is up, it can't leak. And this is built into the box. So when you pull the box off, the door comes with it. The door, there will be another seal here.
Okay.
So your one seal will go into here, and then one, so it'll be opposed.
Yeah.
The only place that won't have the double seal is at the top, where this is, but water cannot get in vertically. Almost impossible.
Yeah, so then we were doing that 150 again over the top.
Yeah.
Because then we've got brackets going on for our solar panel shape.
David's going to do that today, and he's going to see them the floor measurements and the wall ones, each side, the cutouts and everything.
Yep. So when you go from 1.6 up to 2.4, the actual fibre content is exactly the same. The only thing that's changed is the resin content in the panel. Yeah. So we can get the stuff out of Germany at 120 metres long.
Front to the front of the Luton about 10.
And then we can get our feed for our alternator feed for our battery bank, and then vice versa, and then work out whether we come inside this channel to come up into for your LED lighting.
So the sides are fiberglass and the back and the front are aluminium.
So you're going to do aluminium box frame?
Yeah, this will be all
No,
folded
it's all just
aluminium
folded.
frames. All the
Oh,
boxes.
right, I see this. And then put an LED light on here.
Yeah, that's it.
So it's underneath
Yeah.
the angle of that. We can have cables, whatever.